Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. Congratulations on your newly updated Windows 11 computer. So, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to enable the dark mode and might as well disable such in your Windows 11. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so at the bottom search bar, search for settings. Once you've typed it, go for the best match and double tap to open. So once you have bring up your settings, proceed to the left side of your screen where you can see a list of options here in the settings. Here you need to look for personalization, which I can see here next to network and internet. Once you have selected it, click it to continue. Okay, so under the personalization, you will be able to see a lot of options here. Now, in our case, we'll be proceeding to colors, which is at the second next to background. Click on it to continue. Okay, so here at the colors, you will see different options here. It goes with choicer mode, transparency effects, accent color, custom color, and related settings. Now, since we'll be enabling the dark mode in our Windows 11, then go with the very first one, which is choose your mode. Change the colors that appear in Windows and your apps, and aligning that it has this option. Click this down arrow and then go with dark. So the moment you've clicked it, you have just successfully changed your mode into dark mode. Okay, so when you search here at the bottom search bar, it will be in dark mode. Just have to wait until it changes. Yes, it will be in dark mode. And if you check everything here, if you will access your, let's say for example, you'll be searching your file explorer. Okay, so when you open your file explorer, double tap it to open. Okay, so it is in dark mode. So all of your applications here in your Windows 11 will be in dark mode. So setting your dark mode in your Windows 11 is very good, especially if you're working at night since it's very soothing in our eyes. Okay, so let's say if you want to disable that. If you prefer a light mode during the daytime, if you use your laptop or computer during the daytime, then we'll be navigating the same process. At the bottom search bar again, type settings, and here, wait for the best match to appear. Okay? So here, once the best match appeared in your screen, go with open. Okay, so in my case, I am redirected already to the colors. If not, if in your case you are not, then go with personalization, go with colors, and you will be here. Okay, so go back again here in the choose your mode and click this down arrow and proceed to light. So in that manner, you have just successfully disabled your dark mode and changed your mode into light. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.